Hi guys, Ivan Curtin here from We Love Parquet, and I just wanted to make a quick video because there's so much stuff on the market in terms of floor finishes and stuff, and it can be a bit confusing for the consumer because most floor finishes are actually called polyurethanes, whether that be a water-based coating, an oil-based coating, or an epoxy, what I call epoxy-based polyurethane, which is the smelly stuff that smells like airplane glue. They're all polyurethanes. What is a polyurethane? Well, I'm going to try and explain it to you guys, but actually I'm just going to have, because it even confuses me a little bit. So what they are is they're a polymer, okay, which includes epoxies, polyesters, and phenolic resins. Now remember what I was saying about resins. All floor finishes essentially, and all wood finishes essentially, what they are is resins. Resins that sit on the surface of the wood, or they can penetrate into the cells of the timber and case harden the wood. But effectively what they're doing is they're enabling a reflection of light back off the wood's surface. It gives the wood some clarity. And it's effectively like putting a sheet of glass over the surface of the wood and wetting it at the same time, so you can actually see all of the really beautiful colors. And you know, looking at a raw piece of timber, you wouldn't know how beautiful some of those grains and the color in the wood actually is, because it's a bit like releasing a it's a bit like seeing a mirror for the first time and actually seeing what you really look like for the first time. It's a bit of a shock. Whoa, did I look like that? Is my nose that big? Have I got sideburns? It's the same thing when you pour some lacquer on a nice piece of timber. Thanks for watching.